Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undertale songs on piano easily. We'll begin by exploring some of the most accessible tunes, perfect for beginners. You'll learn how to approach these pieces with a focus on foundational techniques. Our goal is to get you playing your favorite Undertale melodies without feeling overwhelmed, building confidence one note at a time. Let's dive into the world of Undertale music on the piano. To make playing Undertale songs easier, mastering a few essential techniques is key. Focus on proper hand posture, keeping your fingers curved and relaxed. Understanding basic rhythm, like quarter and half notes, will greatly improve your timing. Practicing simple scales, such as C major, for about 5 minutes each session builds finger strength and coordination. A metronome is your best friend for developing a consistent tempo. Selecting the right songs is crucial for an easy start. Look for Undertale pieces known for their simpler arrangements, often featuring just one or two voices. Tunes like Memory or the main Undertale theme are excellent choices due to their gentle melodies. When practicing, break down each song into small, 4-measure segments. Master each hand independently before attempting to play both hands together, ensuring a smoother learning curve. There are many fantastic resources available to help you on your journey. Search for free simplified sheet music on piano tutorial websites, often marked as easy or beginner versions. YouTube offers countless video tutorials that visually demonstrate finger placement and timing. Engaging with online piano communities can provide valuable tips and motivation. Remember, consistent practice, even for just 15 minutes a day, is the most effective way to improve your piano skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.